Hello one and all. Here's the quick tutorial on the fruit and vegetable hammock that I promised those of you who bought the pattern. Basically, this is what it looks like. The sun's shining in through my windows, of course. It wasn't shining earlier. But basically what I'm going to demonstrate is just how to start off and how to finish off the hammock. As you can see, the little rings, those little hooks there, you're going to have to purchase your own and decide where you're going to hang the hammock. But here we go. I'll show you how to start it off. According to the pattern, yes, I'll make a slip. So I'll just show you how I started off. I actually take the ring, and the rings that I use are just whatever I can find. I think this is a 3 centimeter diameter, and I've done some over here with 4 centimeter diameter. I think this is an even smaller diameter, and it's got these are called carabiner hooks. So just whatever you can find will do the job quite well. These ones here I did with the warping thread, and this one here I did just with a normal 8-ply yarn. So it's pretty versatile. I would stick to cotton, but 8-ply or British DK. Sorry about all the shadows, but I'm going to go for this now. So what you do is you take the ring and you just thread the cotton through like that. Make a slip knot. I'm using a 4.5 crochet hook. Where is it? And get it up to your ring like this. Set up to crochet like this. One chain, and it's kind of stuck. Lead the thread along the edge of the ring and start to make your 10 double crochets. I'm obviously not going to be doing the whole pattern here. It's just to show you how to start off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what's happened here is the tail is already sewn, worked away, and if you count along the top, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1, flip your work, and work your first double crochet into the first stitch, and off you go. And I think from this point on it's pretty easy. So I'll just stop there, and then I will show you the increases which happen sort of there. If I single out an increase, you can see that the increase is made by working 1 treble, 2 chains, and 1 treble into the same stitch. I think that's quite easy to do. And then when you go in the other direction, I'll single out a decrease. So your decrease is worked over 2 stitches. So you'll do half a treble, and then work through all 3. Those of you who crochet will get that. Obviously, this is not a beginner project. So that would be the decrease. So now you will notice that when you end off, it's a different story. You obviously can't end off the way you started. So the 2 ends do look a little bit different, but that's just unavoidable. That's the back of the ending, and I've made a little swatch here so that I can show you how that is done. So we'll just quickly work the last double crochet here. Chain 1, turn your work around, and now what you do is you hold the opposite ring up against the back of your work, And what you'll do is you'll work what are called decreases. So you don't finish that one, you go into the second stitch and then you pull the two off together. For some reason, you can't really get this to pull up nice and tight at the top if you don't do this. Oh my goodness, I hope this isn't too dark. I'm wishing the sun away, but here we go. I think maybe you can see this. So basically what you're doing is you're ending off and decreasing the stitches at the same time. So I'll start here, pull up a loop, and then instead of finishing it, go into the next stitch and pull up another loop and then finish it off. And we'll do the last one. Pull up a loop, pull up another loop, and finish it off. There we go. And then that's what it looks like on the other side. It kind of pulls it together in the same way that it looks pulled together on the other edge. So that you can't really, you'd have to look really hard. Here's a big one that I can compare. You see, the finishing off one has this row of chains running around the back, but really once you actually use it and hang it, it makes absolutely no difference at all. So I hope that helps, and I will, if you want to buy the little pattern, it is available on Ravelry under my name, Judith Mitchell. But if you are not on Ravelry and you don't know how to get it, you're welcome to send me a little message if you would like the pattern. So thank you for that, and until the next time I have something to show you. Bye.